Hey guys, it's your trainer Rebecca-Louise. I'm here at Lion's Rock with 4 paws, these beautiful lionesses behind me, and we're going to do a daily workout. This is a workout that you can do every single day to move your body, stretch and feel energized. Let's get going. We're going to take our legs a little bit wider than hip width distance apart. We're going to take a nice bend in the knee and we're going to lift all the way up over the top of our head. So that's it, nice big circles. Push those knees out to the side, squeeze those glutes as you get to the top. Now you can bend your knees as much as you want or as little as you want. It does not matter. The whole point of this workout is just to get your body moving, and maybe doing this twice a day, just starting off with once a day, is going to make such a difference. So lift your arms all the way up. Now let's try and get a little bit deeper in that bend. And as you bend down with those squats, you're going to push those knees out to the side, get to the top, and then squeeze those glutes. That's going to really help protect that back. Let's lift all the way up and take it again. Breathe in, inhale, and exhale. Give me one more. Biggest circle that you've ever made, all the way over to the top. Okay, we're going to take it as upward stretches. So again, keeping your knees slightly bent, we're going to lift up and we're going to stretch from side to side. So lift that arm up nice and long, so really feel that stretch. Just a little movement in those feet, so you're pivoting from side to side. And we're going to lift up, so taking it across the body and stretch. Now this time, let's make a little bit more of a movement. We're going to take it over the body, feel that stretch here, and gently come over to the other side. Now if you feel like you want to hold a stretch, great, hold it there. And we're going to take it all the way across. Now try and get a little bit deeper in that bend, like we did at the beginning. Stretch all the way over, and again over the other side. Okay, this time, take it over here. Inhale through your nose, tuck those hips underneath, pull your belly button in, the ribs down, lift up, and just a little stretch over. Nice. So what we're doing is we're waking up the body, we're going to stretch everything out, and you're going to feel so great once you finish. Let's take it over to the other side. So all of that weight now into the left leg, tucking those hips underneath, pull the belly button in, ribs down, lift up through your chest, give yourself a smile because you are here, you're doing this, and it's going to make a difference to your life. Inhale through your nose and exhale, just lean over a little bit further, taking everything nice and gentle. Bring it back to the center. Okay, we're going to grab our arms in the center here and we're going to twist from side to side. So let's waking up that middle part of our body, those abs and those obliques, getting everything nice and warmed up. And release that tension away from your shoulders. So bring your shoulders away from your ears and inhale and exhale. Feel that nice little stretch. Now let's extend that arm a little bit more out to the end. And I want you to flex your hand. So just getting those wrists involved too. Often when we're typing on the phone or on a computer, we're not stretching out those hands. So let's take it all the way across the body. That's it. Nice work, everybody. Oh, you're going to feel so good. And just adding this to your daily routine, getting your body moving in different directions is going to make such a difference. Okay, let's take it over to that side. Hold here for 3, 2, 1, and take it across the other side here for 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay, shake out that body. You're going to come to the edge of your mat. You're going to squat down just as much as you can today. So what you want to do is want to stick that booty back, keep that chest lifted, hold your hands together, and just slowly move across to the edge of your mat. A little tap here, and see, we're both watching you. We're both watching and making sure that you're doing a great job. So try and get a little bit lower this time. Step and breathe all the way through it. So when you're exercising, sometimes that you feel like you're getting dizzy or you may be getting a little bit lightheaded. That's probably because you haven't had the right thing to eat before you've worked out, or maybe it's because that you're not actually breathing through your workout. So often when you're especially on the ground doing an ab workout, you've got to really keep remembering to inhale and exhale out. That's it. Okay, let's take it all the way across. Little tap here and bring it last time across the end. Nice. Okay, shake out those legs. We're going to engage a little bit more here. So we're going to come to one side. You're going to take it into a side lunge. Now, if your side lunge is here, fantastic. If it's a little bit lower, great. It doesn't matter. The point is that you are doing a side lunge. So take it out to the side and hold here, and then extend that leg. So just push it out to the side and then extend. So what we're doing is we're waking up that quad muscle and we're stretching out the inner thigh too. Keep the chest lifted and squeeze those glutes. So push that right knee out to the side, always lifting that chest up, nice elongated spine, and breathe. That's it. Out to the side. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Push that knee out. Feel that lovely stretch all through the inside thigh and come back to the center. Give me one more. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay, shake out those legs, and it's normal to feel a little bit of tension when you bring your legs together. Totally normal because we're warming up that body. So now let's take it over to the other side. We're going to step out here and we're going to come back to the center. So you are really feeling the stretch this time inside the right side of the leg. So keep that chest up. You're still really working that core. Come back to the center and let's take that booty out. Yes, you've got this. And breathe. Hold out to the side and squeeze. Really pushing that booty back. Let's get those glutes engaged. And squeeze those glutes as you get to the top. Back to the center. Release those shoulders away from your ears. Are you breathing? That's so important. And of course, once you've done this workout, one of my workouts, make sure that you hashtag I can feel the burn Rebecca on Instagram. Woo! So that we can find each other and I can tell you, great job. Okay, let's hold it over to the side here. We're gonna go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Okay, we're gonna shake out those legs. We're going to bring a little bit more endurance into our body and we're going to kick our booty, okay? So we're going to take a nice big step, little step if you want to start just here, and as you get more confident, you can add in the arms, you can add in a little bit of a bigger step. So that's it. Let's wake everything up. Now, even adding in your elbows, squeezing your chest together, okay? Squeezing your back together is going to open up that chest. So as you can see, we are doing loads of different exercises here that are really going to wake up everything. Okay, let's keep going. Breathe. Whew. Inhale and exhale. Great job for showing up. Most people don't even show up, but the fact is you are doing this workout, so you are showing up for yourself. Okay, this is the main problem when people say they don't feel motivated. Motivation comes from action, and the more action you take, I tell you, the more motivated you're going to feel. So keep adding this into your daily routine to wake up your body and give yourself a nice little stretch. Okay, let's go for 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're going to take it into some very slight back bends. We're going to take it very, very gently today. So lift your arms up here. You're going to bend your knees and then just slightly lift your chest up and then come back to the center. That's it. So you're going to have your feet a little bit wide in the hip distance apart. A nice solid bend in your knee. Tuck those hips underneath. Remember, pull those abs in, ribs down, lift up, and then just very slightly bring those elbows out to the side and then lift all the way up to the top. So you just want to work on really squeezing and tucking those hips underneath, because if you're doing this, you're going out here, that's not going to help your back. You want to tuck your hips underneath, lift your arms up, and just very gently lift up that chest. Because so often we're like this, and I really want you to really open up that chest and lift all the way up. You've got this. So lift up, breathe, and here we go. We're going to hold this one for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift all the way up, and let's take that one more time. Open up a little bit more for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shake out that body. You are doing great. We're going to come down to the ground into a low plank. So what we need to do here, we're going to stay on our knees. You're going to bring your hands together here. Your elbows are going to be underneath your shoulders, and we're just going to pull those abs in nice and tight. And we're going to hold here. Now, if you want to take it to the next step and just engage those abs a little bit more, you're going to tuck those toes underneath and maybe lift up one knee, hold it right here, and then take it over to the other side, lift up right here. Always think about pulling those abs nice and tight in towards the spine. Okay, now let's take it over to the other side. Take up, lift up that right leg, bring it all the way back down, and maybe let's change over to the left. Okay, we're going to take it with both legs up. Okay, so tucking those toes underneath, just give it a go. If you can't, no problem. Maybe you just lift them up slightly and then bring them back down. Now, let's try and go into a whole straight plank. So you want to have your head that's in line with your shoulders, that's in line with your hips, that's in line with your heels. Now, if you can't do this today, this is the whole point of this workout, is I wanted to give you something challenging at the end, okay? Because if it's all just too easy, you've got nothing to work towards, there isn't a goal. So we're gonna set a goal today, okay? I'm gonna try and do a plank. Now, as you get more advanced, you can take it into side planks, you can lift your leg up, you can squeeze. Now, I tell you, if you just stick with me, that move you just saw, you're gonna be able to do one day if you desire. Okay, release those knees down. We're gonna have those hands directly underneath the shoulders. she's really telling us that we've got to keep on going throughout this workout, okay? So you're going to push down into your hands, you're going to lift up through the chest. So inhale through your nose, exhale out through your mouth as you push down into your fingertips. Now let's take that a couple more times. Lift your chest up, breathe, and let's take it all the way down, pushing those fingertips into the ground. Pull your belly button in towards the spine. And let's just take a couple of more reps through in your own time. Now here at Lions Rock, they have rescued over 100 lions from human captivity, from zoos, from war zones, from people's pets. And so if you want to get involved, if you want to make a difference, I'm going to put all of their links below. And you can even come here to South Africa, Lions Rock, and meet these beautiful animals and, you know, maybe do a workout with them too. Okay, so let's take it all the way down. Inhale through your nose and exhale, lift all the way up. And let's come back to neutral and wiggle it out. God, you did such a great job. Check out this next video. I know that you can do it. Challenge yourself. I encourage you to go for it. My name's Rebecca-Louise. You can follow my story and what I'm doing here with 4 Paws at Rebecca-Louise Fitness. I will see you guys next time. Now lift up your right leg and we're going to pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down the other side and up we go for 5, 4, 3,